I don't know if you can see it by the light, but there's a tiny little chick there. Can't zoom in. Can you see it? That tiny little chick, it's black. It's actually one of those waterfowl things. That's quite common in Brunei. I think a family took up residence in our drains, and they've been scouring our drains for fish and frogs and little water insects. They must have been quite successful to have a chick. I can hear it chirping. I don't know if you can see it though. Oh, off it goes. There it goes. It's a pretty little thing. Yeah. What else? Well, that drain is on the border of my house and Nana's house. Let's see if I can follow the chick again. I can see it up there. There it is again. It's cute, isn't it? I don't know where the mom is. They generally leave these things alone for a while, because it knows it's quite safe. Quite well camouflaged too, so they're directly underneath me now. Cute, isn't it? It's actually walking, it's not swimming through. It's walking. So it's quite shallow here. It's running back. They're very good swimmers, but they tend to like really shallow water. Oh! Look, there's those plants that close up by themselves. Here. They close on contact. They're weeds, really. And you can see the big semicircle thing up on the roof. That whole thing is supposed to be my room, but it doesn't have air conditioning at the moment, so hell no. And there's no curtains, and the sun will just rise from the east and blind me. So lots to be done. I live there. See the van? The room in front of it. It's huge. Not all of our cars are here, as you can see. We only have the van here. I think that's a Toyota. I don't know. The other one's a Subaru. Oh well. That's me. And I'll see you guys again later.